Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have Georgia here today, hopefully a little bit more with it than last time we did an unboxing together. She's not as sick, except for she's got knots all through her hair. Look at this, look at this. I said go brush your hair and you didn't.
I did.
Okay, so we have today our November unboxing for our GeekGear Harry Potter World of Wizardry. So, over to you.
I wonder if it's
Hold it up.
It
It is a festive box. Is that what you're going to ask? If it was
Yeah.
like Christmassy? Yeah.
It's red.
It's red? Why would it be red? What?
You changed it to Gryffindor.
I wouldn't do something like that.
But why is there lines on there then?
Is there lines on there?
And potions.
I don't know. You want to show everyone?
It's usually blue.
Oh. Wonder why it's red. Wonder what happened.
Well, you changed it.
No. Oh, I wouldn't do something like that. Alright, you going to open it up? There we go. Nice clean one. Good job.
Whoa.
What's in here? Got to show everyone. What is it?
It's a... You did change it to Gryffindor.
No!
Yes, you did. Or else it would be a raven.
Really?
Well, eagle.
Yeah, an eagle. Ah, and it's also what size? It's going to fit you better, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we've got a Gryffindor kind of sweater looking, Christmassy sweater looking emblem on our shirt. Alright, what's next?
A pin.
A pin. So we've got a pin in here. So let's bring it up.
Can I read it?
Yeah. So the pin says, can you see it?
Potions?
Potions, yep.
Potions Master.
Good job. Well done with your reading. What's the next thing? Oh, it looks like it's dropped out.
Here.
Yeah. So, next one is a...
Gryffindor coin.
We have a house coin. So, this one is silver, and it says... What does it say up there? Do you know what that one says?
Congratulations.
No. That's the I guess the strength of Gryffindors.
Courageous.
Courageous, courage. Good job. So it has courage on one side, and then on the other it has the Hogwarts. It says the Bank of Wizardry and GeekGear Wizardry. What's next? Anyone thinks she's liking the fact that this might all be Gryffindor related.
It's a little thing, a dragon.
No, it's not a dragon. Do you remember what these were from Fantastic Beasts?
Weren't they like those little like birds?
They're kind of birds and snakes kind of all put
that.
together.
So cute.
Yeah. And remember the shells are all made out of silver? That's why the nifflers like the shells. Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, what else have we got?
I think I know what this is.
You think you know what that is?
I think it's a cat.
You think it's a hat?
What? No, it's actually
A stocking?
a stocking.
And it says G for Gryffindor, but it also G for...
Georgia.
Hey! How cool is that? Nice, we can add that to our pile of stockings. What have we got? Our recipes?
Cards.
We've got Creatures French Onion Soup.
Oh, those look cool.
We have
Gingerbread Wizards.
Gingerbread Wizards. What else have we got in there?
It's 1 yard thing. Keyring.
Yeah.
And
What's it say?
I'd rather be at Hogwarts.
Yeah, I know. I'd rather be at Hogwarts. Okay, so we've got a little keychain.
Oh, how cute.
We have some Christmas cards.
That I can imagine.
With a little bow truckle.
Yeah, I can imagine that little one doing that.
Ugh. Let's see if we can open it.
You know there's like a stick thing right there.
No.
Oh my god.
Shh. Don't know what you're talking about. You mean that sticky thing?
Yes.
Alright, you want to show them the cards?
Oh, that's so pretty. I can imagine this little one doing it.
So we've got our little bow truckle.
I can imagine that.
Getting with all the baubles.
Yeah. And then it's Santa going to Hogwarts.
Santa's been to Hogwarts. Excellent.
And
And our last thing. We always have trouble getting this one out, don't we?
Yeah. And it's a Gryffindor.
So our print is a Gryffindor print. So with the line, kind of looks a little bit like a constellation.
Yeah, I was about to say it looks like a star
constellation. Yeah, cool. So let's have a look at what our card tells us. It says here we've got our exclusive Wizardry coin, which was, you could have either got it in gold or silver.
I kind of liked it better in silver.
Yeah, well, we got the silver one. So the silver one was $9.99. So remembering it's in British pounds. Then we've got our 2 greeting cards that were done by Scottish artist Kevin Cantwell.
Really?
Yep, and the 2 cards were $4.99. That's my mum. Hold on. Hey, how's it going? I'm just doing a video with Georgia. Can I ring you back in 2 secs? Alright, love you. Bye. Alright, then we've got our Harry Potter keyring is $4.99. Our stocking, our house stocking was $9.99. Our egg, I can never pronounce it right. Is it Occamy, I think.
Where?
No, the name of the creature. My brain doesn't want to say it right. I think it's Occamy. It is $9.99. Then we've got our house print was $4.99. Our pin, Most Potions Master pin was $5.99. And our t-shirt was $11.99. So, what was the best thing about this box, Georgia? I know what was good about this box for you. What do you reckon it was?
It was Gryffindor.
Were you surprised? You weren't expecting it, were you?
No.
No?
But my favourite thing
What was your favourite thing in the box?
In the box would be this. I'm just joking. Probably
You got the shirt too.
the coin.
The coin? Yeah, I like the coin too. It's really pretty. Simple, but cool.
It actually has a weight to it.
I know, and you can put it in your wallet and it'll be like, I've got my Hogwarts coin. It's kind of cool. Alright, thank you for checking in with us this month. I was looking forward to seeing what Georgia's reaction was when she opened up the box and realised it wasn't Mummy's normal Ravenclaw box. I hope you enjoyed that, and we will be back with you soon. And as always,
be kind, be strong, and be a warrior.
And I'll see you later. Bye.